Enabling Face ID for iTunes and App Store on your iPhone 16 streamlines your purchase and download process, offering a quick and secure way to authorize transactions without repeatedly entering your Apple ID password. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. When prompted, enter your current screen passcode. To continue, scroll down to the Use Face ID for section. Then, find iTunes and App Store from the list of options. Simply toggle the switch to turn the feature on or off. If you're enabling it for the first time, you may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Just key in your Apple credentials. Once signed in, the feature will be active. This iPhone feature enhances your user experience by making purchases and downloads more convenient while maintaining security. When enabled, you can use your face to authorize transactions in the App Store, iTunes Store, and Apple Books, instead of typing your password each time. This is especially useful for frequent buyers or those who prefer a touchless interaction. Note that you can always disable this feature if you prefer the added step of manually entering your password for each transaction. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.